know that it's been a challenging and demanding year for you guys. We're bringing you to Charlotte for an unforgettable prom experience. We're all going to the prom! And we're going to do the Prom Express charter bus service straight to our new Atrium Health Dome indoor practice facility. It is a phenomenal building, and we're going to treat you to the most unforgettable prom that you guys could ever have.
Ever since our school got hit, I could feel everybody just tries to get through the day. I don't really see as many people smiling or greeting other people as much as usual. Now that we did this, I could tell everybody had got some more spirit.